Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all. Well, I don't know when y'all gonna get this video, but I did a video of some old school meatloaf, and of course I had meatloaf left. So I'm gonna show y'all what I do with my leftover meatloaf. Some people don't have meatloaf leftover. Some people do. And I happen to have some meatloaf left over from the most moistest, delicious meatloaf ever. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make me a meatloaf grilled cheese sandwich. Y'all. That's something I created years ago, y'all. This actually used to be another thing, used to be on the menu of my job that I recently retired from a few years ago. And we used to put it on specials. Like, the reason I come up with it, because we had meatloaf left over, and we make a meatloaf sandwich and put it on the menu. The people loved it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I got a meatloaf here. I'm gonna slice it up. I got some regular white bread, whatever kind of bread you want to use, wheat, rye, whatever you want to use. I got some sliced cheese here, American cheese. I love Miracle Whip. Don't judge me. When I make a sandwich, I want Miracle Whip. And some butter, to put on the outside the toaster. So what I'm doing, I'm gonna step out, get this meat low sliced up. I'm gonna make 2 sandwiches because I got somebody who want a sandwich with me. And we're gonna put this sandwich together. So easy, so quick, perfect way to get rid of leftover meatloaf. Anyway, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we getting ready to build this bad boy. This sandwich here. Let me get some of this oil out of the skillet. Now, turn it down a little. Now I got my meatloaf all sliced up over here. As you can see, I got my bread ready, mayonnaise, cheese ready to put on there, butter ready to put on the bread. The first thing we're doing, I got my skillet over here, y'all. And we're gonna put this meatloaf right here in this skillet. And we're gonna warm it up. Gotta have it hot, right? Now don't get me wrong, I love a cold meatloaf sandwich as well, y'all. Sure do. I'm trying to turn that down just a little and let that meatloaf do its thing, but while it's doing its thing, we're gonna build our sandwich here and get it ready for the meatloaf. So I got some regular white bread. Like I said, y'all, you can use whatever bread you want. Now, I love Miracle Whip on my sandwiches. I'm gonna put a little mayonnaise on here. You use whatever mayonnaise you want, y'all. This is my sandwich, so don't judge me. You make your sandwich like you want yours, and I'm gonna make mine like I make mine. It always be, why you using Miracle Whip? Hey, this is my sandwich. I'm eating it. Some people just, I don't get it. They get all serious about it. I can't believe you're using it. Okay. And I can't believe you're here on my page trying to tell me how to eat my own food. Okay, I'm flipping the meatloaf over, y'all. That's what I'm doing. While I'm venting here. While I'm venting. Okay, now we're gonna put some cheese on here. Just like this. Y'all. Like I say, this used to be one of the biggest sellers after we had meatloaf at my job. They would eat this stuff up. It was so simple. It was so simple to make, as you can see. All right, y'all, I got my meatloaf over here in the skillet here. Put a little oil in here, y'all. Just a little oil in there. Definitely want it. It's not ready yet. So I'm going to let this step off, get hot. We're going to come back. We're going to use the same skillet, but I'm going to clean it out. I'm not going to use a dirty skillet like that. And then this sandwich will be ready. Old school meatloaf and grilled cheese sandwich. We'll be right back. All right, y'all. We are back. Okay, y'all. We're going to take this little meatloaf over here. Put it over here in my in my saucer. And we're going to take this skillet here. Let's see here. Build this base here, y'all. Build my sandwich here. All right. Put the meat on there just like that, y'all. Just as so. Remember, this is nice. Y'all remember how I make this meatloaf? It's nice and moist and juicy. And the sandwich ain't gonna be no different. And we're gonna put the top on there just like that. Just say so. Look at that, y'all. Y'all know this gonna be good, right? Y'all know this gonna be good, right? All right, y'all, hold on. We'll be right back. Let me get my skillet clean. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, this showtime. All right, y'all, we're gonna put a little butter on this side. Gonna butter it. All the way across there. Putting my skillet over here. Butter side down. Move y'all over here. Butter side down. You're gonna put butter on the other side. Got a little bit more on this for this one here, y'all. And that's what we're gonna do right there. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. What we're gonna do, you already know, we're gonna toast it on both sides till that cheese get nice and melty. The meat is already hot, so all we want to do is toast this bad boy up and melt the cheese, and we good to go here. And like I said, it's very important that you do the meatloaf. Make sure it's hot, because it's not going, grilling is not going to get enough heat on there to heat up the meatloaf all the way through. That's why I put it, as you saw, I put it in the skillet beforehand. So anyway, we're going to step off. When it's time to flip this over, I'll be back. Old school meatloaf grilled cheese. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Anyway, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. All right, y'all, let's flip that bad boy over. Just like that. Flip that bad boy over just like that. Pull out a little water, create some steam there. And that's gonna melt that cheese. Gonna melt that cheese off there a little bit more with that steam there. Oh my God, y'all. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. No, we ain't gotta go to a commercial, y'all. Oh no, we ain't gotta even go to a commercial. We're not gonna even go to a commercial, y'all. What I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna cut the fire off and just let it do its thing. Go get my plate ready. I'm gonna make that world famous YouTube thumbnail while I'm grabbing. As I say, we just do one commercial here all the way, and once I come back, I'll have it plated up when we come back. Old school meatloaf grilled cheese. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Final episode here. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. I got my little radish on there from my deconstructing hot dog video. I hope y'all see that before this. Sometimes I don't know when these videos gonna come out. I do so many in advance, and y'all know behind the scenes, I do like 10, 15 videos in advance. So sometimes I don't know when some of them gonna come out. But anyway, let me pick this up and show y'all a little bit better. Look at that nice meatloaf in there. Got that cheese, how the cheese is melting up in there. See how moist that meatloaf is? Look at it. Come on, take a bite, take a bite. Come on, take a bite. All right, y'all. Going in. That's a delicious sandwich, y'all. Wow. But the key is having the meatloaf cooked properly. That is the key ingredient. All right, give me put a little radish. My little radish on here. I know it works well with this too. My little homemade relish. Look at that. On it. Y'all. Ooh. I don't know what else to say. But give me a hiccup. You're giving me the hiccup, y'all. So anyway, I just want to show y'all. Ooh, I got hiccup, y'all. That relish got some kick to it. As it set up and make it a week before, it has some kick. All them flavors done married together. Ooh. But anyway, let me close the video out. If you like this video, Please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media account. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, TikTok, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2025. It's great to be alive. It's even better to be living. Old School Soul Food. Till next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. And I will definitely see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.